Okay, guys, today we're going to learn how to set up an account in the brokerage called Oanda. Now, this is going to be mainly for people who are residing in the US. Um, but either way, welcome to the tutorial. I hope that you guys are doing well with your trading. So, what I'm going to talk about today is how to set up a live trading account as an individual. Now, you can also set it up as a corporation or an entity, but for a lot of people who are starting out, you can just set it up as an individual. So that's going to be a lot easier for you. So we're going to confirm and continue. Live in the US, yes. Now we're going to put in our email address and password. Okay, guys, so now the next step is going to be to add your personal details. So in here, type your first name, middle is optional, last name, etc., your date of birth, and your phone number. Once you guys are done that, hit confirm and continue. Now, after you've added your personal details, you're going to need to select whether or not you are a US citizen. And so I'm going to select yes. Then you're going to have to add in your social security number or your TIN number. Okay, guys, now the next step is going to be to add your residential address. Now we need to select our employment status. If you're employed, you will hit this and hit confirm, and you will need to enter your employment details. If you're self-employed, you will need to click that one and continue and enter your self-employment details. If you're retired, you will need to select this one and enter your retirement details. If you're a student, you will need to select this one and enter your student details. And if you're unemployed, you will need to select this one on the bottom, confirm and continue, and enter your income details. Now, guys, after you've entered in your employment details and your details for how much trading experience you have, you will come to a page like this. You are almost ready to trade. So this just means your application has been approved, and you can now log into your account to get started. And once you log into your account, there will be details for how to connect your bank account. I'm not going to go through that step because I think it's pretty straightforward. And also, just to know, guys, if you're a fan of TradingView, Oanda links directly to TradingView, which is very convenient, and that's what I prefer to use. So I love TradingView, and I highly recommend it. But either way, guys, I hope that this tutorial helped you, and good luck trading. Whether you're setting up a personal account to live trade or whether you're setting up a demo account, Oanda is a great platform, and yeah, I can highly recommend it. So until next time, guys, thanks for being here, and peace.